So we're doing this demo job for a repeat customer of ours. The ceiling was bid to another person. They got the bid on that. So shout out to Andres, Lupe, and Adrian for coming out today, man, and taking a look at it with us, man. And yeah, man, like I appreciate y'all coming out, man. I really do. All right, so got all the tile right here. He wants this wall knocked down, all that knocked down, that knocked down, from that thing down that way, this down, this down. Took the carpet out, carpet out. Take that out, carpet out, all the tile right here, this tile in here, cabinets, bathroom, everything in the bathroom. Everything in this bathroom. Everything in this bathroom. This. All the tile. Carpet already out. Carpet out. Finished taking that desk out of the carpet. Carpet right there, out already. This bathroom and everything in it. Got the hat on for today, safety first. You know, man, we practice safety over here. Gotta make sure we have all our safety equipment on.
I would sit on that couch, but then you'd be like,